On the behalf of GLOJAS, we hope this year we have satisfied all the patients. I would like to wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023. Thank you for being with us.
Yes, we are coming to the end of the year. I would like to thank all Malaysians and not forgetting my dedicated staff who is dedicated to GLOJAS. I really appreciate all your work and effort that you have put into GLOJAS. Not forgetting all my customers with all your support throughout the year. We appreciate and would like to thank. Have a great Christmas and a great holiday.
I would like to wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all Malaysians.
Hi, I would like to wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, wishing all of you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!